Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Kontakt installed and Ableton configured. Now load it. Open Ableton, create a MIDI track, then insert Kontakt as an instrument device. Once loaded, choose a library slot and drag a patch into Kontakt's rack. Make sure Kontakt's MIDI channel matches your track. If you want multi-timbral playback, instantiate multiple Kontakt instruments or enable multi-out in the plugin settings. This gets sound immediately. Next, we route and map articulations for real performance control. Now route audio and MIDI cleanly. Open Kontakt's outputs and create the number of stereo outputs you need, then activate multi-out and show those tracks in Ableton. Once visible, route each Kontakt channel to its corresponding Ableton track for independent EQ, compression, and effects. For performance, map MIDI CCs to expression, mod wheel, or sustain. Configure key switches and velocity layers inside Kontakt so a single MIDI clip can trigger articulations. Once done, you have full mixing control and expressive playback. Finish by optimizing performance and fixing common issues. Lower latency by adjusting audio buffer size and enable plugin delay compensation. Freeze or bounce heavy Kontakt instances to free CPU. Route shared reverbs on return tracks to avoid redundant processing and keep levels conservative to prevent clipping. If you suddenly lose sound, first verify Kontakt authorization, then confirm MIDI channel and track input, and finally check that Kontakt outputs are assigned to active Ableton channels. One troubleshooting tip: rescan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.